Hi there, my name's Alex. I'm a mechanical engineer from the University of Liverpool and I'm in my 4th year at the moment. I started looking at my career options when I was actually in sixth form. I knew I was really interested in going into an engineering field. I didn't want to go and have a technical non-engineering role somewhere. I wanted to go into engineering and especially energy. That really interested me, so I was looking around at energy companies and what sort of options there were, and that's when I started thinking that nuclear was for me. So I've actually been working for EDF Energy for a few years now because I actually got a placement before university, which was really great for me. Yeah, so I started thinking quite a long time ago. Okay, so I started researching my careers, as I mentioned, when I was in sixth form, and yeah, there's a company called Year in Industry, and basically they're a charity. They come under the EDT banner, and what they do is they link up people who, like sixth formers who want placements, with companies who are interested in developing young people. And that's when I found out that EDF were interested in having Year in Industry students. So I sort of went into the process of applying for those. I also got offers from GKN and Rolls-Royce, and it came down to those three, but EDF swung it for me because of my sort of passion for the energy field. Last summer I was working in Heysham Power Station, and at the end of that EDF said, we really want to have you back with a full-time role when you graduate, which would be summer 2015, so a few months' time. And that's when I sort of begun the process of making all of my network contacts and sort of saying, I'm going to be graduating now, this is when I need to be getting a job. So I'm currently now, October 2014, looking at sort of where I'm going to be and going for interviews at different power stations, head central office, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, that's happening now in my final year. As a result of obviously working for EDF and my passion for the energy industry, I really want to go into a career that's actually uses my engineering skills. I mean, I've spent 4 years with a really intensive course. I don't want to then waste it by going and doing something finance sector or something like that. I really want to actually be an engineer, which is what I came here and trained to do. For me, the things that are really important with the company that I'm going to end up working for is how they treat their staff. A friend of mine once said, in a bit of a joking way, you can tell how a company treats their staff by the quality of their toilets. And that was sort of one of the things that I went into EDF. I sort of had to look at the toilets, all very nice, they treat their staff well, and that's been confirmed by the 4 years that I've spent there. They're really great, they really care about you, they want to develop you, not just to sort of use you and then throw you away. Got great pension schemes, great pay, like a great life-work balance. They won't work you too hard, but all of the work is really responsible as well. So yeah, it's exciting, it's cutting edge. The nuclear industry in the UK should be going on, certainly to the end of my career and beyond. So it's great to be part of something that is moving and going in a direction, which is really cool. So. If I got any advice for people who are looking at going into roles, or anyone who's thinking about bringing on STEM graduates, is that for me, my option to choose EDF was really swayed by the placements that they gave me. They gave me great 3.5-month summer placements where I was doing responsible work, getting paid well for it, and then subsequent sponsorship, and that really made me want to come back and maybe see them as a company that would treat me well and look after me for the rest of my career. So yeah, that's what did it for me. And if I had any advice to anyone looking for jobs, would be find a company that will offer you a placement and try and keep you, because they're the ones worth going.